Just now, CCAI launched its brand new video generation model, Seedance. It creates videos incredibly fast, runs entirely online with no computer specs required, and best of all, it's completely free. Using Seedance is straightforward. Head to their official website, select your preferred video model, input your prompt, adjust the video ratio and duration, then let it generate your video. It's worth noting that Seedance is actually the identical model behind Dreamina AI, but now completely free. But how does Seedance stack up against the industry leader in AI video, Google Gemini? In this video, we put these two AI tools head-to-head using identical prompts. We'll test them across scenarios from cinematic shots to dynamic motions. All videos are generated in stunning 4K resolution for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's get started! So, what do you think? How do the results compare? You tell us, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.